So when you're cubing, you'll come across notations that describe faces and the moves of a Rubik's cube, and that's what we're going to cover today. So let's get right into it. When you hold a Rubik's cube like this face facing you is called front, always denoted by letter F. The face on the right hand is R, the face on the left is L, the face at the back is B, the face on top or up is denoted by letter U, and the face at the bottom or down, facing downwards, is denoted by letter D. So this is how you read them. So when you see F, it means the front face. So F means turning the front face clockwise like this. So when you see F prime, is the same front face but turn it anti-clockwise. When you see R, it means turning this face that direction. And when you see R prime, the same right face backward like this. When you see U, is turning the upper face that direction. When you see U prime, the same up face but opposite direction. When you see L, is turning this face that direction. L prime, that direction. B, it just turned the back face that direction, that is B, and this is B prime. D is the bottom or the down facing line, turn it that way, that is D, this is D prime. So basically F prime, R prime, U prime, L prime, B prime, D prime. Then we have another move that consists of moving two layers or two lines. Mostly we call them wide or fat, but I'm not here to body shame my cube, so let's just use the word wide. So for example, if you want to move these two lines or these two wheels, this way, you call that wide F. Backwards, wide F prime. Wide R prime. Wide B prime. Wide L prime. Wide D prime. We also have other moves that requires moving the middle or the center wheel, like that wheel, this wheel, and that wheel. So this middle wheel, this one, it's called M, and it follows the left face. So the left face, this is L prime. So even this middle wheel, this is M prime. So this is M prime, and this is M. That's not the easiest way of turning it, but I'm just demonstrating. Then we have this one is called S. So it follows F. So just like this is F and this is F prime, the same, this is S, and this is S prime. Then we have E. E follows D. Just as this is D and this is D prime, the same, this is E. Sorry, my cube is not so good. And this is E prime. Actually, E denotes equator. It's like the equator is at the middle of the globe. So this is E prime, S prime. This is M prime. What about when you want to tilt your cube in different axes? You can tilt it in 3 axes. So the first one is X. X is tilting the cube along the R axis. So the way we did r this way and r prime this way, so when you tilt the whole cube along r axis, that's called x. And when you tilt it backwards, that's called x prime. Y is tilting the same cube along u axis, and that is this is u, that's u prime. So when you turn the whole cube that way along the u axis, that's y, and when you take it back, that's y prime. Now z is tilting along f axis, yeah, along the f face, yeah. So when you turn it this way, that's z. When you take it back, that is z prime. Also, there's something that I had forgotten to teach you. When you're turning, if this is f, but when you want to turn twice, that's usually denoted as f2. Let me repeat. You started from here. So when you want to turn this wheel 180 degrees, or half the circle, it's f2. And you can turn it either direction. You can either, you can either turn that way, or when you started from here, you can turn it that way. So that is f2. r2, yeah, b2, yeah, u2, l2, d2. So it doesn't really matter whether you are turning it clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will always end up the same position. If you want to do a professional scramble, and maybe you can get a very good scramble from this site I usually use, CS Timer. There are many other sites that can generate really nice scrambles. And a good scramble is a scramble that makes sure that all pieces are shuffled well, so that when you want to solve it, it doesn't like fall into place. You just have to make sure that all pieces are well shuffled. That's what you call a professional scramble. So for example, if you want to interpret this scramble, this is R, U2, B2, D2, F2, L prime, U2, L2, F2, L2, B2, U prime, L, U2, F, D, F2, U2, R, F2. And there you go. You have a very good scramble. So that's what's up for today. Catch me up on the next video as we continue diving into the world of cubing. Thank you.